Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope you are well. So I wanted to ask my friends on social media, especially the scientists and doctors, regarding cloth masks and how to take care of them and to optimize its efficiency. Basically, I want to know how often should I wash them, how often should I put them in the laundry. I just came back from doing my coffee run, my iced coffee run, and as I was coming back, I was like, hey, I haven't washed these yet, and I had it about, I don't know, for a couple of weeks. So I'm pretty sure my question is common, and so I wanted to take advantage of my social media and ask you, what are the best practices on maintaining cloth masks? This might be a dumb question. I believe these masks here, they're not reusable. So education is part of how I help my clients achieve their goals, and I am also a student, so I need you to help me better understand best practices to stay safe and allow others to be safe too. And here's a little PSA. If you don't know, a lot of these masks, you can get them for free and very likely in your neighborhood. If you need some more resources on how to obtain one, or if you have other questions, why don't you post it in the comment line. That's pretty much it. So I just wanted to do a quick video, that we're in it together. Please let me know how I can best do my part.